We're talking about designs that today are up in the 50 million pin range. We see a roadmap stretching towards maybe 500 million pins. That's exactly what we address with the solution.
Innovator3D IC is an integrated cockpit for heterogeneous co-design systems, including die, interposer, package, and PCB. And it is used to construct a full system digital model of the entire device assembly, which is critical for heterogeneous system planning. It covers everything from early prototyping to detailed implementation.
It's a bigger solution that integrates with other Siemens EDA tools like Expedition Layout. It also integrates with Siemens Prisa. It integrates with hyperlinks. So user can use it and later ship some data to these tools to perform some analysis, to perform some thermal analysis, and so on.
Where you take this big system on a chip and you break it down into smaller pieces, and that's what we call chiplets. Basically function blocks that has a defined interface of how they talk to each other. And that's how we want to do this design. That will take cost down, we can keep performance up, we can keep power consumption down, but designing that is really complicated.
Many teams today use the flat methodology approach, which doesn't scale for the emerging heterogeneous integration platforms like TSMC 3D Fabric.
And that's where solutions that like Innovator3D IC comes into play, because it addresses those challenges where the designer risks being stretched beyond what they can cope with. Winning the 3D InCites award was really huge for me personally, because it means that we're doing the right thing. And secondly, it's a huge award to my team that's been working really hard to make this solution a reality.
This award is an important voice which tells us that our work and vision how we develop our product has a right direction.
Primarily, success means the satisfaction of our customers. So if I see that our product is selling well, which from what I know it actually is, then I really believe that this is the success of the entire team.
All the time our customers are growing, they are changing their technologies, and we are reacting at this in very fast pace.
Innovator3D IC is already a mature product. It released about a year ago. We already had about 4 releases. We have a strong technology roadmap going forward.
Since 2025, we are delivering software also in the new versions, new technologies. We are delivering the software updates every 2 months.
Right now, we're developing a lot of features with the primary focus on the 3D view, which will enable our customers to have a fully functional 3D preview of the solution.
Our customers are inventing new ways of combining IP cores or generally chiplets inside of the bigger integrated circuits, and we have to keep that pace. It means that things what we are doing will be used in the chips that are going to be shipped in future. It means that we cannot stay in place.